Welcome back. Most hectic negotiations have taken place in the NDA camp, which is to finalize seat sharing for Maharashtra. BJP Maharashtra's core committee members Devendra Fadnavis, State Chief Bhavan Kula, Sudhir Mungantiwar and Ashish Shelar reached Delhi last night, and they had a late night meeting with BJP central leadership. The names of 30 BJP candidates have been finalized, and all or some of these names are expected to be announced in the second BJP list. Now, BJP is pushing for 2 more seats to make it 32 seats. But Ajit Pawar and Chief Minister Eknath Shinde's camp have raised some concerns. They are saying that if strong contenders or sitting MPs are not given a chance, they may switch back to Sharad Pawar or Uddhav camp. But even as the tussle for the seats continue, all eyes are on the plush South Mumbai seat, which both Shinde Sena and BJP are eyeing. While sitting MP from the seat is Arvind Sawant from Uddhav Sena, top contenders from the Shinde Sena and BJP are actively roaming around in the constituency and are holding public events. Milind Deora, who recently switched sides from Congress to Shiv Sena, is one of them.
Well, 2024 Lok Sabha polls are around the corner, and the battle for the plush seat in Mumbai, which is South Bombay seat, now it seems that it's Sena versus BJP. Right now, where I am present is at one such event wherein you can see Milind Deora, the Shinde Sena Rajya Sabha candidate, is conducting a public meeting wherein he is addressing the issues of public as well as trying to connect with them. However, earlier also, Rahul Narvekar, Speaker of Assembly in the state of Maharashtra from BJP, he has also conducted such meetings in the area of Mumbai, which is South Bombay, and they are both eyeing for the plush seat, which is the Mumbai South Bombay seat. Let's try and talk to the people, what they feel about it, who they are going to vote. Remember, the sitting MP from this particular area is Arvind Sawant, who is from Uddhav Thakrae's party. Let's try and talk to a few people. Sir, आप बताइए क्या देखते हैं इस जो इलेक्शंस है, कैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे? शिंदे, बीजेपी, उद्धव ठाकरे, किसके पास जाएगा?
जो 4th क्लास कैटेगरी है वो ज़्यादा इनमें रोल निभाने वाली है, और जस्ट खास करके बीएमसी वर्कर जो है उसमें हॉस्पिटल से लेके गवर्नमेंट के सराउंड में जो भी 4th क्लास है उनका ज़्यादा वोट पड़ेगा, और उनकी जो डिमांड है घर नाम पे करने की और जो भी दूसरी समस्या है कामगार की, वो अगर सुलझाया जाए तो डेफिनेटली सब वोट उनको ही जाएगा, जो काम करेगा उनको जाएगा।
दक्षिण मुंबई में आप पूरा दक्षिण मुंबई में सर्वे कीजिए, आप पूरा दक्षिण मुंबई में सर्वे कीजिए, उधर पूरा देवरा साहब का अच्छी तरह से नाम है, और देवरा साहब एक वजनदार नेता है, और दक्षिण मुंबई देवरा जी का बहुत इफेक्ट गिरेगा।
मैडम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो वी पीपल आर वेरी कॉमन पीपल, बराबर है। ये जो हाई लेवल का जो पॉलिटिक्स है और ये जो चेंजेस होते रहते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली पब्लिक आर ऑल्सो इन अ कंफ्यूज स्टेटस, और it is very difficult to say now that who will win or like that, and who should be the leader of this sitting. But so far concern is with Mr. Murli Devra. I think he is very much connected with the local people, and even including Mr. Arvind Sawant also is also connected.
दक्षिण मुंबई की जनता यहाँ के वर्तमान सांसद के काम से परेशान है, वे बदलाव परिवर्तन चाहते हैं, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, शिवसेना हमारी जो पार्टी है, एकनाथ शिंदे जी के नेतृत्व में हमारी पार्टी का एक ही उद्देश्य है कि आने वाले लोकसभा चुनाव में हम नरेंद्र मोदी जी के हाथों को अधिक मजबूत करना चाहते हैं। हर सीट हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। यदि पार्टी तय करेगी, यदि महायुति के नेताओं का कहना है कि मुझे चुनाव लड़ना है दक्षिण मुंबई से, हम पूरी तरह से तन मन धन से लड़ेंगे।
आप इच्छुक है लोकसभा सीट साउथ बॉम्बे से लड़ने के लिए? आपको राज्यसभा भी दी गई है?
राज्यसभा वो अलग बात है।
The first IVF center in a government hospital in South Mumbai has been inaugurated today. A service which they would have had to spend lakhs of rupees to avail of would be available to them free of cost.
Sir, now you are inaugurating different initiatives in South Bombay. You keen on the seat for the South Bombay?
That my party will decide. Whatever my party decides, I'll do.
So, but Milind Devra is also eyeing for the South Bombay seat. How do you take this?
All the best to him.
Are you eyeing?
No, I'm not eyeing any seat. My party has given me enough responsibility, and therefore, if they think I need to shoulder this responsibility, I'll shoulder it.
So you're keen on it?
No, I am keen on ensuring that the NDA candidate wins from here.